Hey guys, John here from Pip Rose. I'm down here at FX Buckley in Deansgrange with Tony, the butcher, right? And Tony, listen, thank you so much for having me down here.
Pleasure.
Tell me a little bit about yourself, tell me about FX, and then after, look at this range of beef here in front of us.
Carnivores, I'm the manager of Deansgrange store, and I'm with Buckley's 21 years.
21 years?
21 years, yeah. A passion for cutting meat, really.
Awesome.
So, it's getting up in the morning again. Look, I mean, I love looking at that photo.
Look at this.
Memories of their establishment since 1935. In the middle there, there's Francis Xavier Buckley.
Yeah.
So there you go. You know, it's
who's he? Is he?
That's that'll be Darrell's grandfather. Yeah.
Grandfather.
Yeah.
Like that's history right there.
Yeah. 1935, guys. That's Moore Street. So
that's in Moore Street.
Yeah.
Most famous street in Butcher in Dublin.
It's still there. Yeah, still there to this day. So look, you're here in Deansgrange today. So I'll tell you all about these lovely cuts of meat. So
awesome.
Go for it.
Yeah, like you tell me now where all
you
this
point. I'll tell you what it does.
This one right here.
So that's classed as a porterhouse.
Yeah.
So that's T-bone steak. So you're getting best of both worlds there. You're getting the lovely strip, and you're also getting the lovely bit of fillet, and that's dry aged for 42 days. So
amazing.
That's porterhouse. And
42 days.
42 days dry aged. Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
This beauty right here.
That's Côte de Boeuf. That's one of my favourites actually. That's look at the lovely lump of fat in there and marbling. So that's classed as a cowboy steak.
Yeah, look.
So I mean,
look
it's
at the
phenomenal.
Fat. And it's on the bone.
On the bone. On the bone. Fat is flavour.
Yeah.
Enhanced flavour.
This beauty right here.
That's dry aged strip loin. Again, it's just taken off the bone from the T-bone.
That will be here, yeah.
So people class that as a New York strip, but we can again dry age that for 35 to 42 days.
This beauty.
That is ribeye.
Smells amazing.
That's silver medalist there in the World Steak Challenge. And I also put your charred rub on it, and it brings out
which is this
the
one,
flavour. Unreal.
That's amazing.
It brings the outside inside. It's that barbecue experience, you know.
We're going to cook one of them off.
We will do so.
This beauty right here.
That is Ridgway's in Wicklow's Wagyu beef burger.
Yeah.
So that little lad is a burger. It's coarse minced once.
Yeah.
It's fed chocolate olives.
Chocolate olives?
Yeah. It's brought into a room, and there's these big massage rollers that roll around them, and he's getting massaged.
I got one of them in my bedroom.
I'm telling you, you do. That's what I need, but anyway. But that's a Wagyu burger now, so they are succulent burgers. And again, you can have your bacon jam on that from yourself, and we do Walsh's Bakehouse. Let's cook that too, sure, why not?
This beauty right here.
That is flat brisket.
Yeah.
So again, we went through the barbecue championships, and so do you want to give it a rub? You want to rub it up there yourself?
Yeah, I'd love to. Yeah.
So lash it into the tray there.
Yeah.
All right.
And then
in with your charred rub.
Charred rub on top.
Giving an L bake
massage
around there.
up.
Yeah.
Loads of rub.
John, how long would you cook that for?
This one now,
smoking or whatever.
If it's in a smoker like this size, you could do it in 4 to 5 hours, I'd say.
Just pull apart.
Yeah. And then as you're cooking it, baste it in a bit of butter, wrap it up in some tin foil, or some butcher paper, even better, you know.
That beef comes from Wexford now, so it's very grass-fed beef,
Yeah, we use the same one now in Pip Rose restaurant.
And again, there's a nice bit of fat in that now for, as you know, flavour and stuff like that. So you don't want that in too lean. So
and I love this one because I put this with everything.
Yeah,
chips,
it's an all-rounder.
Pizzas. I season eggs with it, brisket, the oregano, the cumin, the garlic powder, onion powder,
that's
everything. And then, of course, the proper meat sauce.
Yeah, poured over it.
Wet it all up.
Wet it all up, yeah.
That, look at that now. Like you couldn't eat that now.
Oh, you would,
you know?
Yeah.
This beauty right here.
This little one here now is called rump cap, believe it or not, but it's actually a Brazilian cut.
Yeah.
Which is called picanha.
Yeah.
So again, you'd cut lovely slices down, okay?
Yeah.
You'd cut slices down like this.
Yeah, that looks great.
Right. Now, what I've seen recently on a video there.
Yeah.
They actually get a metal skewer.
Yeah.
Right.
Skewer it up.
They get a metal skewer. So they do this.
Yeah.
They stick the metal skewer through it.
Yeah.
And the Brazilians do this, so they metal skewer through it and put it on the rotisserie.
So for all the Brazilians that are watching,
make
sure you come in and check this out. So I'm kind of half Brazilian because the wife is Brilliant.
Brilliant.
So for all the Brazilians watching, come into FX or go into Butchers in Dublin.
We have this on a daily basis.
They got this beauty right here, seasoning up with a rock salt, bit of fire, and off it goes. That's incredible.
That's picanha, yeah.
And it's flavorful as well,
absolutely
you know.
Gorgeous, yeah.
This beauty, big big thing in here. Looks amazing.
So this is prime fillet.
Yeah.
Any paper bags there, Leon?
Everyone's favourite.
Yeah.
Everyone's favourite. Now, I mean,
A
look at
nice
that.
Chateaubriand in there.
Oh, there's a chateau.
Yeah.
So that's,
Roll
that's,
that up now.
That's perfect for sharing.
Yeah.
And again, we do centre fillets. I mean, look at that. It's just butter. Look.
Like, yeah.
Look at that. And a nice, again, bit of marbling in it to enhance that
look at
flavour.
that. Like that now.
That's
for me,
FX Buckley's meat par excellence.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Like that now cooked
Yeah.
rare for me.
Everyone's favourite.
Seriously,
Oh,
I
yeah,
get way
please,
too
yeah.
excited when I think about these things because, like, when you eat good meat, like, just cook it in a pan.
Just
Or
in
on the
general,
barbecue.
would you see how soft that is with that knife?
Yeah. Here. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Look,
Beautiful.
and just flatten it out.
Phenomenal,
that.
phenomenal piece of beef.
That's like you could eat that right now.
You could, yeah.
Like,
Well, why not,
that
like-
is delicious now. Sear that off in a pan, little bit of butter, bit of thyme, bit of rosemary, season it on the grill. Like I might just cook one of these off as well, pick up
Yeah.
some for tonight.
Fillet.
Yeah, look at that.
It's everyone's
That's
favourite. Like
incredible.
it's the easy pleaser, you know. So
Yeah, and this
Excellent.
beauty right here.
well, this is resistance. So this is a class as ribeye.
Yeah,
So it's called a cublo, beef cublo.
yeah.
So it's we basically take the cap off, and again,
Oh my lord, Tony,
look at that.
what are you doing to me?
Look at that for steak. Look at them. Look at that marbling. Look at that fat. And they have become silver medals in the World Steak Challenge 2023. And I only had one the other night, and I put the charred rub on it, and it blew me away.
Look at that. That now cook it off with some roasted potatoes.
Yeah.
Cook with a bit of duck fat, or even some chips
Yeah.
with some of the charred rub. Steak and chips, steak frites,
Steak night every night.
bit of chimichurri on top.
Even nicer.
We're gonna cook some of these ones off on the next video, so we are.
Yeah.
And that's incredible, Tony.
That's all specially selected
Unreal.
for FX Buckley's.
Yeah,
There's no cutting corners.
Look
here.
at their
It's just
range of meat,
Meat
look.
par excellence.
yeah. So if you were to give any advice now for upcoming butchers out there,
Like young
Yeah.
butchers.
or even
Coming
me,
ex- well, I
Okay.
can, there's always room for
Yeah.
one more. I'd just say, you know, come in and meet
Yeah.
all the guys, and they all the guys here in Deansgrange have a passion for
Yeah.
meat. Some are going through college at the moment, and they love college. They learn a
Yeah.
lot of college, but I mean, it's all about meeting customers and cutting all these lovely steaks in the block. And
feeling it.
my best part is displaying them.
Yeah,
It's like this place does be like a food museum sometimes.
it's artwork, and then when
It's
the
an
first
art.
customer
Butcher is an
takes you, you
art.
don't want them to touch it.
Like I mean,
It's,
I was doing this, like I said, 21 years. Like
Yeah.
it's a long time, and I still have passion. I just love cutting meat,
yeah,
you know.
and especially you look at these guys.
When you look
right,
at these guys,
right
they've
behind
all
you.
done it. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at all the animals hanging outside
Yeah.
the shop back in the olden
times
days.
have changed.
Times have changed.
Yeah.
But like that's a heritage right there. Like
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
prize beef right
Prize
there. You
beef,
know.
yeah.
But yeah, look.
Well, look, there's
Thank
always
you.
room for you, John.
Yeah.
So unless there's room for me in your place, but I'm
Yeah,
happy where I
we'll-
am at the moment. Thank you very
we'll
much.
do a switch.
Yeah,
and,
switch.
Listen, guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Tony. Thank you. Now we're going to cook up some steak, and we'll show you in the next video that.
Lovely.
And make sure you give FX Buckley Deansgrange a follow on YouTube or on Instagram and Facebook, and myself, Pip Rose, and John Relihan on YouTube. We're putting up loads of new videos, and this is an education purpose for myself.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you.
And now I'm going to show him something on the fire on how to cook up the steaks and use this wonderful meat. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. See you soon.
See ya. Thanks.